and it just drills my mind and reels my brain, but I'll have to find it, I believe, because I can't be recording videos like this. So 5 seconds. We're still winning it. 2-1. Good. Oh my god, almost 6k. Oh my god, almost 6k. Okay, I believe that's enough. Going all in, and Japanese yen and franc going just short. You can see the price continues moving downward. Candles from a series form a series of red bars, and indicators confirm the bearish trend right here. So option down, just wanted to go down there. Good. All right, we got our profit. Okay, United States and Brazilian reals going all in again, and gonna go for short again here. Oh my god, the entry point, like as soon as I just entered the market, candles like all of them, they just go the opposite direction. It's always worked like here. I don't know whether it's karma or what exactly, but something is odd, definitely. Good. I wasn't really stressed about it. I was totally alright. Okay, max here as well, 800. Going for long here, definitely. British pounds on the Japanese yen. There we go. You can see the price formed a reversal pattern after a drop. So super trend changed its color, and zigzag shows an upward impulse right there. An indicator, all these indicators confirm the bullish movement. They not really confirm, because the candles are confirming the movement, not forming the movement, but indicators, they just confirm the movement. They confirm your analysis and supporting your belief and your strategy. So there are two options: whether they're gonna support it and you're gonna win it, hopefully, or otherwise they're not supporting it, so you're not going into that. Okay, good. 1,600. Alright, going max again, year and half. Going for short here. That is definitely short. We do have the local reversal. There you go. So the situation is the following: the price formed a local reversal downward after a strong rise. So not rise, but raise, I'm sorry. And candles just turned red. Zigzag shows a pullback right there, and the super trend confirms change in just direction. And yeah, why not? Why wouldn't I believe it? Why would they hate? I wouldn't say fake, but alright, why would they fake it? Thank you. Now you can move whatever you want, like whenever you want. Going long here, I believe. Yeah, we're just 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna go for long. Australian and New Zealand dollars, guys. So the situation: the price broke out of a flat zone and just showed a strong upward impulse right there. Zigzag confirms a reversal, and super trend supports the bullish shift. So there you go. Why wouldn't we go for long if all the mentioned patterns and points and the moments are pinpointing for the upward trend? Why wouldn't I go for it? Obviously I'm going for it. Clear. Oh my god, my back. Oh, something has a very high frequency noise in this room, and it just drills my mind and reels my brain, but I'll have to find it, I believe, because I can't be recording videos like this. So 5 seconds. We're still winning it. 2-1. Good. Oh my god, almost 6k. Oh my god, almost 6k. Okay, Australian Canadian dollars going all in. There's nothing to lose anymore. I'm gonna go for long again. Could have been better, but not really bad. Not really that bad. So after a strong downward trend, the price bounced from a level and formed a sequence of green candles right here, and zigzag shows a reversal. Super trend turned bullish, and indicators confirmed the upward movement. So boom shakalaka boom boom, this is what we're gonna be doing, and this is what we are doing. So in the meantime, I would like to guys remind you again that I do have the Telegram VIP group. And the link for that can be found in the comment section. The pinned comment is going to be there with the link to the Telegram group. This is very much important and very much useful for you. It is absolutely for free. No one asks you for any money. No one asks you for any money. You just go there. If you don't like it, you just leave it. Everything is on your will. Everything is up to you. In the meantime, we have $11,500, guys. Everything right here is real. Real money, real time frames, real currency pairs. I mean, everything that you see on your screen, not everything that you see on your screen has to be real, but specifically my videos and my scenarios. This is the life. Sorry, yeah, this is the situations that I'm having, the patterns, everything, the analysis, and all the strategies that I'm having. You should trust the process. You should believe in me. Message me. Join my Telegram. It is for free, guys. I'm not giving you or asking for anything. You just go there, read the information, check the videos and everything. It doesn't really take that long. It's not really that boring, I swear. You can go and check. And if you don't like it, you just leave. If you like it, you're gonna stay and earn money. Easy. So yeah, do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching and staying with me. Have a great one. Have a lovely one. Cheers. Bye bye.